What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Finally, after a long wait, Samsung has pushed out an all-new update for the Home Up module on Goodlock, which brings back those features which were missing. Now let me just open Goodlock. Let's open the Home Up module here. Now here under Task Changer, we have these layout types. Now here you can see only list and grid options are currently active and rest of the options are disabled. These were disabled when we got the stable version of One UI 6.0, and even during the beta the Home Up module was not active. Now once we got the One UI 6.0 stable, Samsung did activate this module, but these three options, the stack, vertical list and slim list options were disabled, and only two options, the list and grid, were enabled. Now you can see this is the list view. This is how the list view would look, and this is the grid view. You see, this is the grid view. Only these two options were available. Now what we will do is let's go ahead and update the module. I'll open Galaxy Store. Now if you're on the Galaxy S23 series, you will be able to see this update. I'll tap on menu and tap on update here. Now here you can see we have got Home Up update. I'll just tap on this. You see the version number is 15.0.0.011. It says the issues are only fixed when the latest One UI Home 15.0.05.5 or later is installed. So we need to first get an update for One UI Home, without which this is not going to work. And it also says fixed an issue where settings were reset when deleting an app, added the unsupported layouts for task changes. So the last point is important. They have now added the unsupported layouts for task changer. Now let me just go ahead and update this module and see whether the unsupported layouts are working or not. Let me tap on update. Now let's open Home Up module. I'll tap on task changer. You see it is still not working. This is because I haven't got the update for the One UI Home yet. So I'm not running the latest version on the S23 series. I'm not sure what is the reason I haven't got the update yet. I see some of the other countries have already received the One UI Home update. And if you have already got the One UI Home update, if you're running on the latest version of One UI, you will be able to use these rest of the layout types on your phone. So that is something which you should be wary of. You need to have an update for your One UI Home. Now let me go ahead and again check if I received the update for One UI Home. I don't see any update on the Galaxy Store. Let me just press and hold on the home screen and tap on settings. Go to about home screen. You can see I don't see an update here as well. The version number is 15.0.01.243. This is the older version. So we need to have an update for One UI Home. So let's wait for that. I'll keep you guys posted as soon as I get this update for One UI Home. But if you already have the latest version running as mentioned in the changelog, let me just open the changelog again. You can see the latest One UI Home version required is 15.0.05.5. So wait for this update, or if you're already running on the latest version, do check it out. Do check the update for the Home Up module and let me know whether these unsupported layouts are working or not. Drop a comment. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you're interested in this wallpaper, go ahead and check out the link in the description. And if you like the content here, do hit that like button. We are inching closer to 100k subscribers. Let's do this. Let's reach 100k soon. So without your support, it won't be possible. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.